Have you ever wondered how some websites manage to create those mesmerizing backgrounds that seem to move as you scroll, giving a sense of depth and sophistication? Welcome back to DRTS Web Works, where today we are diving into the magic of CSS to show you exactly how to create a stylish and beautiful Parallax website background. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to enhance your skills or a complete beginner eager to make your website stand out, this tutorial has something for everyone. Long story short, we are going to combine HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then you will have a free link to download, copy-paste as shown in the video without writing any code if you want this particular background for your own website. So, are you ready to transform your web pages and website into captivating visual experiences? Let's get started. First of all, we are going to go onto the backend of our website. We are going to open the unlimited elements. We are going to open widgets, and I have the source file here, but I'm gonna show you how to do it from scratch. So I'm gonna delete this one, and then I'm going to open a new widget, which I'm going to call Parallax background. Then we are going to click on here, ready for editing, and then we are going to delete this automatic text and we are going to start typing. Of course, every HTML document, in this particular case with unlimited elements, it's not important, but I'm gonna show you how to do it so you don't get worried or anything like this. This is our first line for any HTML document. Let's make it responsive. Let's close the head tag. And now let's create our JavaScript file where we are going to add some event listeners, which is actually what we're going to start. Then we'll get some elements by ID so we can actually create these kind of stars flying in the sky. And on the front we have a text which will create us and give us the option to have like a very, very nice and stylish design. So let's start. Now, when we have written our code, obviously we can't see what's happening, so we're gonna update it. We're gonna check the HTML, CSS and everything, and then we're going to copy this into one code span so we can format it a little bit more and we can see what exactly is happening. Right, let's copy the HTML document that we have written. Then let's open the CSS file, the CSS code, and we will paste it in this window. And then let's open the JavaScript, which we're going to post in here. And now you can see how the changes will happen. We are going to save it. And there it is. Our beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It gives the idea of the space, of the things that are infinite. Have a look at this and think about this. You can always change this text, but the most important is this text is not part of an image or anything. This text is actually readable by the Google crawler, so if you put your own keywords for your own brand, this will give you a very, very good perspective for good SEO and ranking on the homepage of Google, especially on the first page. Now, because we formatted it, we saved it, we're gonna copy this and we are going to come back here and replace the code because it's now better formatted automatically by the code pen. Let's update, and now let's see what will happen. So let's go into the pages, let's open a new page, then let's click on Elementor, let's put spacer, let's make the spacer a bit big so we can see what's going on. Now let's add our parallax effect. Perfect. Let's update and let's see what is happening. There it is. Beautiful. We can add as much as we want text here. We can add images and it will be absolutely perfect. Right, guys. Now that you've mastered the art of creating stunning parallax backgrounds, your website is already a step ahead in the game of visual appeal. But why should we stop here? Nah. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you will love our previous video where we took web design to the next level with a stunning 3D image carousel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your web designs truly unforgettable. I will see you in the next one. Cheers!